Question. ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral inscribed in a circle. ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral inscribed in a circle. क्वाड्रिलेटरल ABCD के चारों वर्टिसेस सर्कल पर हैं. If angle A measures 75 degree, what is the measure of angle C? If angle A measures 75 degree, then we have to find the measurement of angle C. If angle B measures 110 degree, then we have to find the measure of angle D. Since ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral, therefore sum of opposite angles of quadrilateral ABCD is equal to 180 degree. Therefore, as per theorem, the sum of two opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral is 180 degree. Angle A plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. Angle A is 75 degree given. Angle A is 75. Angle C is equal to 180 degree minus 75 degree is equal to 105 degree. Similarly, angle B plus angle D are opposite angles of cyclic quadrilateral. Therefore, angle B plus angle D is equal to 180 degree. Angle B is 110. Angle D we have to find. Angle D is equal to 180 minus 110 is equal to 70 degree. Answer. Angle C is equal to 105 degree and angle D is equal to 70 degree. Question. Quadrilateral PQRS is inscribed in a circle. Quadrilateral PQRS is inscribed in a circle. सर्कल के अंतर्गत है. If angle P is equal to 2x plus 10 degree, angle P is equal to 2x plus 10 degree. Angle R is equal to 3x minus 20 degree. Find the value of x and measure of angle P and R. एंगल x का वैल्यू निकालना है और एंगल P और R का मेजरमेंट निकालना है. Quadrilateral PQRS is cyclic quadrilateral. Therefore, sum of their opposite angle is equal to 180 degree. The sum of two opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral is 180 degree. Angle P and QR are opposite angles. Therefore, their sum is 180 degree. Angle P is 2x plus 10. Angle R is 3x minus 20. 2x plus 3x 5x equal to 180 degree. 10 minus 20 is minus 10. इधर ट्रांसफर करने पर प्लस 10. ax is equal to 190 upon 5 is equal to 38 degree. Measure of angle P. Angle P is equal to 2x plus 10. 2 into 38 plus 10 equal to 76 plus 10 is equal to 86 degree. Angle R is equal to 3x minus 20 degree. 3 into 38 minus 20 degree is equal to 114 degree minus 20 degree is equal to 94 degree. Answer. Value of x is 38 degree. Answer second. Measure of angle P is equal to 86 degree. Third answer. Angle R is equal to 94 degree. Question. The distance of a chord of length 16 cm from the center of a circle is 6 cm. Let AB is a chord. Distance of chord from center C is CD. It is 6 cm. Length of chord AB is 16 cm. Find the radius of the circle. Length of chord 16 cm. Distance of chord from the center is 6 cm. We have to find the radius of circle. Method. Since perpendicular from center to a chord bisect the chord, therefore D is midpoint of AB, therefore AD is half of AB. Using theorem. The perpendicular from the center of a circle to a chord of the circle bisect the chord, therefore D is midpoint of AB. Or AD is half of AB. AD is equal to half of AB. AB is 16 cm is equal to 8 cm. Now, in right triangle AADC by Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square is equal to sum of squares of other two sides. AC is hypotenuse, it is opposite to right angle. AC square equal to AD square plus CD square. AC we have to find. AD is 8 cm plus CD 6 cm, 6 square is equal to 64 plus 36 is equal to 100. AC square is equal to 100. AC is equal to root 100 is equal to 10. Answer. Radius is 10 cm.